यह डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड से रिकॉर्ड की गई है। रेडी, स्टार्ट। We have heard with careful attention the statement by the Honorable Minister. It would have been helpful if the Honorable Minister had thought it prudent to give us in advance a copy of the statement which he has just now made. It would have helped us in formulating our own thinking for a discussion of this subject here today, but probably because it was the first time that he was making a statement on foreign policy, he did not consider it necessary to let us have an advance copy. But in future, when the Honorable Minister make such statements, I would, through you, request him to let us have an advance copy to help us. The statement made by the Honorable Minister does give a fairly clear idea of how he proposes to handle the various matters that concern his charge. I must commend the transition of a leader of the opposition who used to be fairly critical of the policies followed by the Ministry of External Affairs to the position of being in charge of this ministry handling the foreign relations of the country. I sometimes feel a little jealous of the Honorable Minister because though he may be facing complex and delicate problems in handling our relations with foreign countries. As far as this house is concerned, he would normally get our generous cooperation and support. This has been a historical fact that over the last 50 years, generally, this honorable house has extended its fullest support and cooperation to the government in its functioning and handling of the relations of this country. I consider this to be natural because foreign relations are in a sense projection of the self-interest of the country. Surely by a change of government the interest of the country do not change, and so we are happy that the new government has given this house and the country an assurance that they will pursue the policies that have been the bedrock of the foreign relations of country. There are certain basic fundamental principles which have gone into the formulation of our foreign policy. It is in a sense, a development of the national movement of the country, of the struggle for freedom. I may point out that it has been this country's endeavor all along to support the freedom movement of various countries in the world of people from colonial rule. Thank you.